Did you know that there is a specific Breitbart news network app which you can just install on iPhone? So just tap get and then you will just be able to install this app on iPhone. This app is, I guess, like better to use on mobile, and it delivers quick, free, and easy access to the largest source of breaking news and analysis. This app is a bit, on the right, conservative side of the spectrum. So, it's not that popular as some other apps, as Rumble or something in that area, but it's just one of these news sources you can try out if you're interested. And then you can just open up the app, and then you can just see some of the news in there. And then here you can see this app is quite conservative in that sense, on the right side, but everyone has its own preferences. So there you have it.